Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm genuinely excited to share something that can save you a ton of time, money, and frustration when it comes to building mobile apps. If you've ever tried creating an app before, you already know how overwhelming it can be coding, hiring developers, dealing with confusing builders. It gets frustrating fast. But what if you could create a complete professional mobile app in just a few clicks, without any tech skills at all? That's exactly what MobiAgents AI brings to the table. MobiAgents AI is a powerful, beginner-friendly platform that lets anyone build fully functional mobile apps for Android and iOS in minutes. You simply choose your niche, add a few details, and the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. With over 50 built-in AI agents, you can instantly generate apps for gyms, restaurants, salons, stores, coaches, influencers, pretty much any kind of business you can think of. What makes it even better is the library of 150+ ready-made templates, so your apps already look polished and professional right from the start. If you already have a website, you can turn it into a mobile app instantly by just pasting in your URL. Plus, the drag-and-drop editor makes customizing everything super easy, even if you've never designed anything before. You also get powerful features like push notifications, in-app payments, unlimited pages, analytics, multi-language support, and fast cloud hosting, all with zero monthly fees. Whether you want to build apps for yourself or start offering app building services to clients, this tool opens up a huge opportunity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.